After you get settled, check out your buttons.
Warning, instrument panel closing.
Navigator, welcome aboard. During the mission, you will be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent.
You're the commander and engineer.
I am? No. Oh.
Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. Your job will be to trigger first stage separation and trigger the landing sequence. Surgeon, how are we doing?
Good.
All good for launch. A reminder, Commander. Your assignments are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder.
Yes.
You will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude.
Oh, I will.
You will also extend the wings for landing.
Yep.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Mission Control, this is the fire email. Give us the go for launch. Eagle. Surgeon. Network. You are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to X2. You are go at throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now. Initiated. Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now. Initiated. Navigator, initiate thruster to adjust pitch. Now. Initiated. Engineer, activate flight camera. Now. Initiated. Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome